U.S. domestic passenger flights could virtually shut down voluntarily or by government order. So we already know that the airline industry is being hit. A lot of the stimulus is going to be going towards the airlines because they can't fly. Nobody's flying. So airlines could be hit, but that's huge. Could be virtually shut down either voluntarily, but this concerns me, or by government order. So you know that I have a travel watch list. Let's go peep that out real quick. Let's go here. Here's travel stocks. Now the travel stocks will hold all the airlines that we have as well as hotels, because if you're not flying anywhere, guess what? Hotels are not making money either. So if I'm look at all of these companies, Southwest, Delta, Alaska, JetBlue, Allegiant, Continental, Wyndham, Choice, Hyatt, Jets, which is, I introduced this last week. This is one ticker symbol that tracks all of the airlines in one ticker symbol, JETS, Jets, even though I'm a Giants fan. Marriott and Hilton, every single one of them is sell recommendations. But wait a minute. Notice that, look at the fundamentals on all of these companies. Southwest, good upside potential, good safety. Delta, good fundamentals. Overall, JetBlue, look at all of these relative values for the most part. All of these companies have good upside potential. VSTs, halfway above 1. Look at their earnings growth rate. Every one of these, with the exception of Jets, which you're not going to have a growth rate on, every one of these are growing their earnings. Every one of them. All right? These are good stocks that have been beaten down because of the COVID-19. All right, so when we look about the story about airlines being shut down, this is why the stimulus is coming to them. But I wanted to show you, we do have a travel stocks watch list. Again, when Joey puts this story out, you can build all of these watch lists that I've got built. You guys can do it at home as well. Just be on the lookout for the videos when Joey puts them out. And don't forget to comment on them too. If you like the data, if you like the information, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. If you want to see other things in here, let me know. All right, you guys have a voice. Use it. All right, any questions on this story?
There was a comment that says you're missing American Airlines.
What's American? Is American? Am I really? AAL, is that American? Yep, American Air. There you go.
What about cruise stocks?
What about who?
Cruise.
I didn't put cruise stocks in here. I may add that. There's a lot of things that tie into travel stocks, but you know something, I may think about adding cruise stocks. I don't mind that. I'm going to put that down, and if we look at this watch list next week, if we do, because something hits the news wire, I will have cruise lines in here like Royal Caribbean and Carnival. I think that's not a bad idea at all. But nonetheless, even with that, every single one of them have gotten hit to the point that they are sell recommendations. And what did I just add? I added American. Look at that. Still another one with earnings growth rate that's positive. American Airlines also has good. All of these companies, for the most part, have good upside potential. These are good companies just going through bad times. Any other questions?
Another guy said he would like to see resorts, please, like Wynn.
Resorts.
WYNN.
All right. I'll put that up there too. WYNN. I'll put that up. So we'll make it a more complete list. All right. Any other questions?
How about JetBlue at 759? Do you see more upside?
At JetBlue, right now, all of these stocks, when you say up 159, say it again.
He bought it at 759. Do you see more upside?
Oh, well, the problem is right now with all of these stocks, all of these stocks have good upside potential. So, you know, these are good value plays. Good question. These are good value plays. What happens with a lot of value stocks? Warren Buffett invests in a lot of value stocks. Some of those stocks, he buys them at dangerously, really, really beat up prices, and it takes time for those stocks to go back up. When I have an indicator like relative value, it tells me that these stocks have good upside potential. And a lot of them have good safety. Not all of them, but the big part is that they have good upside potential. So from that perspective, the indicator of JetBlue, where the RV at 1.42, I think that yes, it does have good upside potential. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.